Good morning, everybody. Today we're making a muffin, or chocolate brownie actually, out of this package. We're gonna make it in the microwave. So we have this pouch and we just need a cup. So first step, take all these contents and put it inside. Okay, so next step, we just add 2 tablespoons of water. 1, just a little bit more. Okay, and step 3 is to just swirl it around like this. So we finished mixing everything together. This is how it looks. And now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 55 seconds. And start. That's it. Just we wait. All right. And now we have the chocolate brownie inside. So we just have to top this off with maybe some nuts, maybe with some ice cream, and your dessert is ready in a minute.